Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Lance Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
No,
Table for how many, sir?
one only.
Would you like to sit in the smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Sir, this way, please. Are you comfortable with your seat, sir?
Yes.
By the way, sir, my name is Lance and I will be your food server for today. May I lay your napkin?
Yes.
Would you like to drink no ice water or cold water?
Cold water, please.
Excuse me, sir, is your cold water? Excuse me, sir, is your complimentary bread?
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir, may I present to you your menu list? I'll be back to take your order.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir, may I take your order now?
I would like to crab and corn soup, Caesar salad, and butter chicken for main course.
Sir, would you like to order our best-selling dessert, which is chocolate Toblerone cake?
Okay, I will get one serving of it.
I present to you our wine list. I would like to recommend to you Santa Julia Chenin Chardonnay from Argentina 2015 with 12.5% alcohol content. It will be best complement your main course, which is butter chicken.
Okay, I will get it.
Is there anything else you want to add, sir?
No, that will be all.
May I repeat your order, sir? For your soup, you order crab and corn soup. For your salad, you order Caesar salad. For your main course, you order butter chicken. For your dessert, you order chocolate Toblerone cake. And to complement your main course, you order the white wine Santa Julia Chenin Chardonnay from Argentina 2015 with 12.5 alcohol content. Did I get it right, sir?
Yes.
I would like to inform you that your food will be served in about 12 to 20 minutes. Are you willing to wait, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your crab and corn soup.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your Caesar salad. Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
Two. Excuse me, sir. Here's your main course.
Thank you.
2, 3, go. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you Santa Julia Chenin Chardonnay from Argentina 2015 with 12.5% alcohol content. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I take your plate now?
Yes.
Two, three, go. Excuse me, sir. Is your chocolate Toblerone cake? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I take your plate now? Excuse me, sir. I received BPI credit card. I'll be back for your receipt. Excuse me, sir. Here's your change.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for dining with us, sir. This way, please. Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day.